Have you ever imagined unlocking your door with just a smile? Thanks to biometric scanners, that dream is becoming a reality. Let's dive into how these innovative gadgets are reshaping home security. In today's world, keeping our homes safe is more crucial than ever. With rising concerns about break-ins and unauthorized access, traditional locks just don't cut it anymore. Biometric scanners, such as facial recognition and fingerprint systems, provide a high-tech solution to safeguard what matters most to you. 1. Imagine walking up to your door and having it unlock automatically with a quick fingerprint scan or a glance at the camera. No more lost keys or forgotten codes. Biometric scanners make entering your home smooth and hassle-free. 2. Unlike regular locks that can be picked or bumped open, biometric scanners rely on unique features like your face or fingerprints, making it nearly impossible for anyone but you to gain access. 3. Many biometric systems come equipped with built-in cameras and alerts, allowing you to see who's at your door or check who entered your home while you were away, all from your smartphone. 4. Biometric scanners often connect seamlessly with other smart gadgets, like security cameras and alarms, giving you a comprehensive security system right at your fingertips. 5. While the initial investment might seem steep, consider how much you'd spend replacing lost keys or dealing with break-ins. Over time, biometric scanners can save you money and provide peace of mind. Start by exploring biometric scanners that fit your home. Read reviews and compare features to find the best match. After selecting the right gadget, consider hiring a professional for installation to ensure everything works perfectly. Once installed, make sure to test the system frequently to confirm it's functioning well and that you're comfortable using it. One common mistake is underestimating the importance of privacy settings. Always check how your data is stored and used, and choose devices that prioritize your security with strong encryption. Biometric scanners are revolutionizing home security, making it easier and safer for you and your family. If you're thinking about upgrading your home security, consider investing in one of these incredible gadgets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Hey everyone! Are you tired of fumbling with keys or worrying about unwanted visitors? Today, we're diving into how biometric scanners are transforming home security. In our world, home safety is more crucial than ever, and we need effective, smart solutions. Biometric technology like fingerprint and facial recognition systems offers a reliable and convenient way to secure our homes. Let's explore how these innovative gadgets can provide us with peace of mind. 1. Imagine this: you approach your door, and it unlocks with a quick fingerprint scan or a glance at the camera. No more lost keys or forgotten codes. 2. Unlike traditional locks that can be picked or copied, biometric scanners rely on your unique biological features. This significantly increases the difficulty for anyone else trying to access your home. 3. Many biometric systems allow you to easily grant access to family members or trusted friends. You can even set different access levels, giving you control over who can enter your space. 4. Biometric scanners can seamlessly connect with your other smart home devices, enabling you to manage your home security right from your phone or through voice commands. Talk about living in the future. 5. You don't have to break the bank. There are plenty of biometric scanners available at various price points, so you can find one that fits your budget without sacrificing security. If you're ready to boost your home security, here are some steps to take today. Research the best biometric scanners that fit your needs and budget. Check reviews to see what works well for others. Consider installation options. Some systems are designed for easy DIY setups. Keep in mind that while biometric scanners are fantastic, they can sometimes fail if dirt or moisture gets on the scanner. It's wise to have a backup plan, like a traditional key or code, just in case. So there you have it. Biometric scanners are a great way to enhance your home security while adding convenience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What biometric gadget excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever worried about the safety of your home? Biometric scanners are here to help. These cutting-edge gadgets can greatly enhance your home's security. With break-ins on the rise, it's crucial to find effective ways to protect our homes. Biometric scanners, like fingerprint and facial recognition systems, offer a modern solution that boosts security while adding convenience. Just think about it, only you and your family can enter your home. 1. These devices read your unique fingerprints, allowing you to unlock your home with just a touch. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys. Many systems can store multiple fingerprints, ensuring everyone in your family has access. Point 2. Unlock your door simply by looking at it. These advanced scanners recognize your face, making it incredibly easy to get inside. Plus, if someone else tries to enter, you'll receive an alert immediately. Point 3. Combining biometric features with smart technology, these locks let you control access from your smartphone. You can see who's at your door, lock or unlock it remotely, and receive notifications. Imagine being able to let someone in while you're at work. 4. Many biometric scanners work seamlessly with your existing security systems. This integration allows you to create a comprehensive setup that includes cameras, alarms, and more, all working together to keep your home safe. Point 5. Setting up these gadgets is easier than you might think. Sure.